This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending August 12th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is a Treasury Bill Auction? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.3% on Friday and was up 0.62% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.11% on Friday and was down minus 0.31% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.68% on Friday and was down minus 1.9% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 7 up finishes versus 8 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday and Thursday, all the major indexes finished up. On Tuesday and Wednesday, they all finished down. And on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. New unemployment claims were 248,000. Inflation rose 3.2% from a year ago. Wholesale prices rose 0.3% in July. Mortgage demand dropped 3% for the week. Mortgage credit availability sunk to a decade low. US credit card balances rose above $1 trillion in the second quarter. And a US judge sent FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried to jail over witness tampering. New unemployment claims, inflation rising 3.2% from a year ago, wholesale prices rising higher than expected, mortgage demand dropping, mortgage credit availability sinking to a decade low, U.S. credit card balances topping $1 trillion for the first time, and a U.S. judge sending Sam Bankman-Fried, a former crypto exchange president, to jail are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. Now we are at our question of the week. What is a Treasury Bill Auction? A Treasury Bill Auction is an auction whereby the US Treasury sells debt to the public and private institutions. By law, there are 24 primary bidders. That is, there are 24 institutions that have to participate in the auction. The auction is the way the US government borrows money. Treasury auctions are held at a regularly scheduled time. The U.S. Treasury announces the auction. They state what kinds of bills and or bonds will be up for bid. The Treasury accepts both competitive and non-competitive bids. Treasury bills, that is U.S. debt that mature in 1 month and up to a year, are called bills, and they do not pay interest. Instead, they are sold at a discount from their face value. The discount gives the purchaser an implied interest rate. Has Treasury auctions affected your stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books and watching YouTube videos about investing. However, books and videos will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside Strategy. You can learn more about the Southside Trading Strategy at SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending August 12th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was Tilray Brands Incorporated, ticker symbol TLRY. In the first column, it was flat on Friday but was up 13.91% for the week. Tilray Brands Incorporated engages in the research, cultivation, production, marketing, and distribution of medical cannabis products. It operates through 5 business segments: the cannabis business, distribution business, the beverage alcohol business, the wellness business, and the businesses under development. Tilray provides medical and adult use cannabis products, pharmaceutical and wellness products, beverage alcohol products, and hemp-based food and other wellness products to their customer base, which includes retailers, wholesalers, patients, physicians, pharmacies, clinics, hospitals, governments, and researchers. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Tilray has decreased minus 2.6% year to date. I did generate cash flow from Tilray this week, as I have in the past. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside Strategy. The Southside Trading Strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 Index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside Portfolio is up 40.87% versus 16.53% up for SPY, a difference of 24.34%. The Southside is beating SPY by more than 24%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 3.36% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by minus 3.35%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by minus 0.26%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin gained 1.23% this past week and appears to be on the verge of a bull market. Though it is down more than 57% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021, it is up almost 78% year to date. I sold option contracts on 5 positions this week, 4 calls and 1 put. That ranged from $7.34 to $82.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out our publication and past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlist levels 1, 2, and 3. They are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.